Hey, third grade. Today you're going to be taking your math benchmark. This is going to test you over things that we've already learned, and there's going to be some new stuff on this benchmark, okay? I want you to take your time. Don't rush through it. I want you to show your work, and if you send me pictures of all of your work shown for all of the questions, I'm going to give you 30 points on your lowest grade in the grade book. So that can help you a lot with your grade, okay? Remember, this needs to be done by yourself. No one at home should be helping you. Grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, brother, sister, cousins, aunts, uncles. I don't want anybody helping you. I want to see what you guys can do by yourself. And just take your time. Don't stress about it. And remember to send me pictures of your work so I can see all of the fabulous things you guys are doing at home. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.